So one night while I was browsing eBay, as I usually do, I found these w124 mats listed, and this particular seller had an option between manual front seats and electric front seats. This has been quite rare to find because they are actually different. As I'll show you shortly, you need to have an extra cutout for the electric seats, otherwise the mats don't fit properly. Let's have a look at the two. Now, in error, I have accidentally purchased in the past the manual front seat mats for my grey w124, and here you can see the difference. They have these extra cutouts to clear the rails for the electric seats. Without them, the mat simply does not fit properly. I'll demonstrate this black mat in my grey car just to show you that it fits properly. Obviously, I'm not going to drive around with black mats. And that fits quite nicely, perfectly snug around those rails, and it still clears the vent. In comparison, let's have a look when you try and use the incorrect mat. It just does not clear those rails. It can't go forward far enough, and you end up with this unsightly lip at the rear. It doesn't really bother me because I never use the rear seats anyway, but I'd like to correct that one day. Now, the weather is fairly crap at the moment, so I haven't had any motivation to finalise my red w124 for it to go to the paint shop on Friday. Hopefully the weather improves tomorrow. I did work today anyway because I knew I wasn't going to be productive anyway. So hopefully it's a bit better tomorrow. If anyone hasn't seen my community post, I also purchased these wheels for the red project. They're 8-inch wides for the rears and 7-inch wides for the front. The fronts are exceptionally rare in Australia because this particular offset was only ever fit from the factory to European delivered 400Es. And obviously they were left-hand drive only and never available in Australia. These 8-inch rears are not so hard to come by. They're off the 129 500 SL or the E500. These are the 124 part number wheels, and I have test fit them and they fit perfectly. I will have them refurbished, obviously. I'm not going to have them look like this, but that will come after the paint job.